What if I told you that your skin can scream? Not metaphorically, literally. Every time you get a paper cut, scrape your knee, or burn your hand, the very cells in your skin send out a desperate electric SOS. For decades, scientists thought your skin was just a silent shield, quietly protecting you. But now, researchers have uncovered a shocking truth. Your skin might be holding conversations we never knew existed. Your body is an electric city. Neurons spark nonstop, sending rapid-fire signals that make you think, feel, move. Heart cells pump out their own electrical heave-ho commands to keep you alive. But skin? Skin was the quiet guardian, just a barrier. Scientists assumed it didn't need to talk. It simply stood there, blocking the outside world from invading your insides. For decades, nobody imagined that your skin might have a voice. Then came a revelation. Researchers noticed something strange. When skin cells, called epithelial cells, are wounded, they don't stay silent. They send out a slow electric pulse, eerily similar to how neurons fire. It's not just a spark, it's a signal, a scream. Sunmin Yu, an engineer at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, describes it like this. The epithelial cells are making a signal kind of like a scream. We got injured. We need repair. You need to come over here. This electric scream calls for help, summoning other cells to rush in and patch up the damage. Suddenly, skin was no longer a mute shield. It was a communicator. The researchers found that this skin scream travels like a ripple, faster than chemical signals, but slower than neurons. It lasts for seconds instead of milliseconds and spreads across a dozen neighboring cells. Here's the twist. It only happens if calcium ions are present. These tiny charged particles are the key, acting like batteries that let the skin talk. Scientists realized that epithelial cells might be having long-range conversations, coordinating healing in ways we never imagined. And this matters, because when those signals go wrong, scars form, wounds linger, and chronic conditions may develop. This discovery is more than fascinating. It's powerful. Understanding how skin screams might open doors to treatments we've never dreamed of. Imagine triggering the scream when it's too quiet, healing wounds faster, or calming it down when it's too loud, stopping unnecessary scarring. But the biggest question remains. Where do these electric cries go? Do they talk to nerves, the brain, other organs? Scientists like you are already asking, how do the high-pitched signals of neurons translate to the lower-pitched signals of epithelial cells, and vice versa? Your skin is not silent. It's not just a passive shell. It's alive, electric, and vocal. Every scrape and cut is a whisper, or maybe a scream, asking for help. And here's the big question. If our skin is talking, what else in our body might be speaking a language we've never learned to hear? Subscribe to Science and Knowledge channel by Dr. Ayman Lebde to discover more hidden stories inside your own body.